What's up YouTube, back again with another quick video. I needed to do this one quite quick. It's a quick laptop review. We got this one on Amazon, less than £200 in the UK. I just, thought, well, is it going to be any good for that? Surprisingly enough, it came, and yeah, more than happy. It's got great reviews on there as well. Like I said, check out the link in the description. You better go and buy it yourself if you need one. We got this one for our daughter. She's going to college next week. She needed something for doing the coursework, etc. Internet surfing, all the basic things really. It's not going to be for gaming. So yeah, it's more than capable of doing everything she needs. Running Windows 10, and I'll just give you the specs on this quick. Right, so we've got a, let's have a look. Yeah, it's a 13.3 inch full HD screen, and the screen is really nice and crisp and clear. I'm quite fussy about my screens because I do photography, and yeah, as screens go, it's definitely all right. Yeah, I'm more than happy with that. Yeah, so it's an IPS HD full like I said, full HD screen. We've got 6 gig of internal RAM, DDR3. It's got Wi-Fi. There's a 64 gig SSD drive in there, which is perfect and more than adequate for what she needs for school. For college. Obviously Wi-Fi. It's supposedly got 14 hours battery life. I don't believe that. Again, I don't believe that, but I mean, if you get 4 or 5 hours out of it, is what it is. More than happy. So yeah, it's called the EZbook X3 laptop. Like I said, 13.3 inch screen. It's got a webcam built in there, obviously speakers, etc, etc. Windows 10, and I am definitely more than happy with this. So if you're looking for a cheap laptop that looks great, it does have a look of a, it's a bit like a copy of a MacBook Pro, to be honest. Yeah, so if you're in the market for a cheap laptop, you cannot go wrong with this one. Comes with a power brick. That's nice and light as well. I mean, it is all light, less than 1.5 kilos I think in total. And it's going to be more than adequate for college work. So yeah, hope you found this one interesting. Like I said, just a quick one. I'm here to help people, as you know. So yeah, there you go. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.